ਚੱਲੇ
कितने सारे चल रहे हैं
Namaskar and Saglang Yokar. As we mentioned earlier, we are in Delhi and we were at Jantar Mantar and we witnessed huge volume of youth that came out protesting against the inefficient BJP government who have been fighting for their right since days, and we stand with these youth who have been fighting for their right. काल आम्ही पहिला कशें BJP पार्टीन एक एजिटेशन केल्लो आनी त्या एजिटेशनान महिला मोर्चा आशिल्ले, there were youth, there was a lady MLA, there was their president दामू नायक आशिल्लो आनी त्या एजिटेशना भितर तेंच्यांनी डेरोगेटरी स्लोगन्स मारला अगेन्स्ट द लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन, अगेन्स्ट आर लीडर श्री राहुल गांधी जी. एज ऑपोजिशन, एज रुलींग सगळ्यांक रायट आसा टू एजिटेट, पण जेन्ना आमी एजिटेशन करता वी हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड वॉट स्लोगन्स आर वी शाउटिंग. तुमचे एजिटेशनान महिला आशिल्ले, महिला मोर्चा आशिल्ले, लेडी MLA आशिल्ले, आनी तरी तेंचे प्रेझन्सान तुमी असले गाळयो आनी असले शब्द वापरता विच इज कंप्लिटली unaccepted. You talk about women empowerment, you talk about respecting women, you talk about Nari Shakti, you talk highly about women, and tenche mukar jenna tumi asle gadio marta, that shows your mindset, that shows how you treat women, and that shows how much you respect women. Tumi eyes itle sakal pavla in terms of politics that you all have frustrated with your failures, you all are frustrated with your administrative failure. You all know that the people of Goa, the people across India are not liking your government, and you all have got frustrated, and in frustration you all are just stooping low day by day just to come back in power. नरेंद्र सावयकर, तुवें म्हटला पळय जे आमचे यूथ जे आसा, गोंयचे यूथ जे आसा ते यूथ टर्माइट्स म्हणून, हांव तुका सांगपाक सोदता, युअर मायंड इज रस्टेड बिकॉज यू हॅव बिकम ओल्ड. इट इज टायम फॉर यू टू स्टेप डावन, इट इज टायम फॉर यू टू रिजाइन, इट इज टायम फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टँड दिस टर्माइट्स विल ईट युअर रस्टेड ब्रेन्स. आनी हांव सांगता की BJP government has got rattled and they are stooping low day by day because they see no future for them, and that's the reason why they are going desperate, they're getting frustrated. I condemn the slogans made, and we stand strong with our leader Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, who's been fighting for the students, who've been standing with the students to get their justice and to get their right. पहिली स्वातेर हांव सॉरी म्हणटलो की I was not able to be part of the protest that was initiated by the youth at Azad Maidan yesterday, but I stand strong with the youth of Goa. I condemn the statement made by Narendra Sawaykar calling the youth of Goa termites. आणि नरेंद्र सावयकराक विचारपाक सोदता, जर तुवें हो स्टेटमेंट केल्लो आनी जर तुका दिसता तो रायट आशिल्लो जाल्यार तुवें हो स्टेटमेंट डिलीट कित्याक केलो, आनी जर तुवें डिलीट केलो so somewhere you know that you were wrong, so there has to be an apology coming from your end. एक secondly, हांव आमच्या युथाक सांगपाक सोदता की it's time that we stand together in unity, come together in large volumes, show this BJP government who takes the youth for granted, who calls the youth of Goa termites, and then they justify their statements by agitations, by diverting the minds of the people. But we stand with the youth of Goa who are fighting against their careers, who are fighting against paper leak. It's time that the youth come together and put the BJP government in place and show that the youth of Goa are not supposed to be taken for granted. It's time for the BJP government to understand that their arrogance will not be tolerated anymore by the future of our country, and that is the youth of Goa.